Water has been restored in Northeast Bakersfield following a shutoff Saturday evening, but a precautionary boil water advisory is now in place. This is the area impacted by that advisory. According to Cal Water, last night it lost pressure in the system as a result of a software error. Officials say when pressure drops to a certain level, a boil notice must be issued as a precaution. People are encouraged not to drink water right now. Officials have been handing out bottled water at Noble Elementary in Northeast Bakersfield to those impacted since 8 this morning. Cal Water says it still doesn't know how long the advisory will stay in effect.
So last night we issued emails, phone calls, and texts. Today we visited every location within the affected area in person. And when we can lift the boil notice, we will do the same. We will call you, we'll text you, we'll email you, and we'll come to your house.
The residents are encouraged not to drink the water. It can be used to wash your clothes and shower. The water distribution is set to continue until 8 o'clock tonight. Cal Water adds that it will continue giving out water at 8 tomorrow morning.